Walshy stick repair. Shooting a video here, boys. There's the shafts. From $20 to $50. Assortment of blades. Both composite and wood. $20 to $50. Intermediate sticks. Dot man working on some repairs. The to-do list of sticks. There's Nikolai the Boracheski in there. Hard to work. Website. The wall of refurbs. Righties and lefties. All the popular brands, Total Ones, X60s, SE16s, S19s, EQ50s, Warriors, 11Ks, CCMU Pluses. Onto a stock of new ones. About 25 goalie sticks. And a whole supply of new sticks on sale for about half price. Again, all top end. STs, 11Ks, Warriors, so on and so forth. Then we have cheaper options for those who can't afford them, and they are $30 sticks. Alright, so come on out, 3262 Blessington Road, and get your stick today.